Ferrets are rodents, big and smelly. In the encyclopedia, ferrets are rodents. The scientists say that ferrets aren't rodents, 'cause they want rodents to have a new meaning. But everyone knows that ferrets are rodents. Everyone knows that ferrets are rodents, big and smelly, tiny and cute. Eventually they will bite off your head.